Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the 3rd of June and it's a Saturday, so most Saturdays is always like a reset day for me. I'm going to do some gardening work. A few days ago the gardener came to cut some trees that were growing wild, and there's some that I couldn't get to clean, so I'm going to clean them today. Also, I'm going to wash my daughter's braids. I've never washed braids on her hair before, so I'm going to show you the process of washing the braids for her, because school is almost out of session and I don't want to take out the braids yet. So I'm going to show you the process of washing the braids, and because she's 3 years old I can't just pour water on her head like that. Like, I don't want her to choke on the water or the soapy water entering her eyes and nose, so I have to be strategic about it. So I'm going to show you the process. And also, I just got her a new bike, which I'm going to try and teach her how to ride the bike. So the first thing I'm going to do is to mix some washing liquid heads and shoulders into a bottle of water. So that's what I'm going to sprinkle on her hair. Like, I'm not going to put loads of water on her head at once. So I'm going to sprinkle it and use my hand to massage it on her hair. So I'm just going to pour this water away. I don't know if this should be okay. So I'm doing this because I don't want the soap to be clogged up in her scalp. So it will make the soap water light. After mixing the shampoo and the water together, I went ahead to put this cap on her. It's called baby shampoo cap, and it's also got different colors. I got these caps on chain. The cap protects the shampoo from running down her face, thereby entering her eyes and her nose. It also protects her ears. After spraying the shampoo on her head, I use my hand to massage her scalp so that the shampoo saturates all her head. I then rinse it out and towel dry it. I also try to reduce the amount of product I put in her hair so that it doesn't clog up her scalp or her pores. So I just put a light oil and put her hair in a ponytail. She doesn't really like hair on her face, so I just do what she wants. Good morning guys, it's 10 o'clock and I want to do some exercise. I started an exercise that I do for 5 days, so Monday to Friday. So I'm going to do it for 12 minutes, tone down my entire body. So it's more like a cardio, so I'm going to do some running and also some hula hoops to help my belly. Yeah, so let's go.
Control.
God, this bird just flew on my window now and it fell down. I just heard that loud thud. I hope he can get back because I can't even pick it up. Hey buddy. Hello. Hi buddy. Hello buddy. Why are you not flying? So I'm going to give you a quick update about the birdie that flew on my window. Before I got back downstairs, it had flown away, which I am happy about. I'm happy that it didn't die there. So the next thing I'm going to do is the gardening. One thing I fell in love with this house was the garden entirely. The trees that was planted here and there, like I just fell in love with it when I saw it. I'm an advocate of planting trees and greens in places. So I'm just going to do a bit of brushing in some part and raking in some part. It's not very dirty, but it just needs a bit of tweaking here and there just to keep it tidy. The kids are always putting the stones on the grass and it makes it difficult to cut when we use the lawnmower. So I try to put the stones back on where it's meant to be. Also, I like to spread like fabric on the floor and lie down. So most times the stones usually
time to read a book for Babs.
So
no?
Every time I walk on the grass, I always
Let's
make
read
sure
for
that there's no stone there.
Babs.
Sitting in the garden is one of my favorite things to do. Sometimes I'll just sit down and watch the kids. Sometimes I do picnic with them. Sometimes
How much do
and other times I just reflect, meditate, and sometimes I'm just grateful for everything life has to offer me.
Okay. press it down. No, not backwards. No, backwards. Forward. Now, press it down. Good job. Now you need to press the other leg down. No. Okay, the other leg. You're doing great. Oh, yeah. Keep moving. Good job. We're going to get there soon. I know that. Press it down. Down. Good job. We're going to get there. She just needs a little bit of encouragement to be able to do it. And keep going. Alright, let's go again. Now press it down. Yay. Good job. Now press it down. Oh, yeah. She's getting there. You need to use your legs. Why are you not using your legs? You need to use your legs before. Eh? Right. Good job. Yay, good job. Now ride your bicycle. Your bicycle. Ride your bicycle. No?
Mommy.
I love you. I love you.
Mommy, what is
Sarah, we're going to try again. Now press the pedal down. Press it down. That's a fly. Good job.
Mommy,
Yeah.
a fly.
Yeah, your fly just flew by. Yeah. Press it down. Good job. Yeah. Good job. You're doing great. Now press it down again. Good job. You did it. I'm impressed. Good job. Keep going. She needs just a little bit of encouragement and she's going to get there. She's trying an hour now. And this is the third day, so we're getting there. The sun is almost gone, yeah. I'm just going to get her to be able to alternate the legs to pedal forward, not backwards. It's easier to pedal backwards, but the bike doesn't move at all. So that's the phase we're on now. We're going to try again tomorrow every day. She's trying, but it's just a bit slow, which we're going to keep practicing. And then she's going to get used to it by, let me say, I think by 2 weeks she should be getting better. That's what I think. Say thank you. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to support us by subscribing and also liking our video. See you in the next video. Bye.